Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, sort by color and fabric because mixed loads cause fading and uneven cleaning. Once sorted, check pockets and fasten zippers to protect the drum. Measure detergent for the load and water hardness. Too much soap leaves residue. Too little reduces cleaning power. Load items loosely so water circulates. Make sure to add fabric softener or bleach to the correct dispensers. Select a wash cycle for fabric type, choose temperature, and press start. The machine will handle agitation and rinse automatically. You operate the controls deliberately. Pick the cycle that matches your load because cycle choice governs drum motion and timing. Once done selecting, adjust soil level and spin speed to balance cleaning versus garment wear. Higher spin removes more water but stresses delicate fibers. Set temperature to match care labels and stain types, hot for whites and oily stains, cold for colors and delicate synthetics. If items are very soiled, add pre-wash or an extra rinse cycle to prevent residue and improve final cleanliness. You finish by unloading promptly to prevent wrinkles and mildew. Make sure to shake out garments before removing to speed drying. After each session, leave the door slightly open to dry the gasket and prevent odors. Clean the detergent drawer and door seal monthly and run a tub clean cycle with a washer cleaner to remove buildup. If the washer won't start, first check power and the door latch, then consult the displayed error code. Reset by unplugging for 30 seconds if needed, and call service if the code persists.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.